Diving into the realm of real estate investments can seem like navigating a labyrinth, but when approached judiciously, it can turn into a lucrative venture. The avenue of wholesale real estate investments offers an intriguing opportunity, enabling individuals to engage in the buying and selling of real estate contracts with a relatively modest initial capital. This endeavor demands diligence and dedication, yet for those with insight and determination, it has the potential to yield substantial returns. When executed with precision, the wholesaler emerges as the orchestrator, claiming a rewarding finder's fee, all without ever taking ownership of the property. What is wholesale real estate? Before we delve deeper into the intricacies of this approach, let's address a fundamental question. What exactly is wholesale real estate? In essence, real estate wholesaling stands as a concise, high-impact investment technique tailored for those astute investors who identify undervalued properties and secure them under contract with a seller, all without the need for extensive renovations or construction endeavors. Subsequently, the baton is passed to the next investor, who assumes the responsibility of enhancing the property, with the ultimate aim of selling it at a higher price or leasing it to tenants. In a nutshell, the wholesaler, acting as the orchestrator, never assumes ownership of the property. Their role is to secure the property under contract and then effectively transfer that contract to the next investor, setting the wheels in motion for potential profit. If you find this information valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on more insightful content like this. Example: how does wholesaling real estate work? So, let's break down how the process unfolds. The wholesaler initiates a wholesale agreement or contract with a motivated property owner looking to part ways with their real estate asset for various compelling reasons. The seller might be teetering on the brink of foreclosure or have a burning desire to swiftly offload a distressed property, unburdened by the thought of renovation. Next in line, the wholesaler embarks on a quest to seek out cash-ready buyers, frequently those entrenched in the world of real estate investing. These buyers possess the resources and determination to either rejuvenate the property themselves or enlist the services of professionals for the task. The wholesaler, acting as the conduit for this transaction, transfers the contract to the investor, securing a transaction fee often referred to as the spread, thereby bringing the wholesale deal to fruition. Pros of real estate wholesaling. This approach to investment boasts numerous potential benefits. 1. Speedy compensation. Since you steer clear of taking ownership of the property, you can typically expect swift payments. 2. Low entry costs. The initial financial outlay is typically quite modest. 3. Inclusive for all credit scores. Even if your credit score is less than stellar, you can still engage in the wholesale market. 4. No renovation expertise required. There's no need for prior experience in property renovation or holding a real estate license. 5. Accelerated turnaround. If you boast an extensive network of investors, you're in for a speedy investment cycle. 6. Consistent cash flow. This investment method can deliver a steady income stream and a solid foundation for wealth accumulation. 7. Portfolio diversification. For those already invested in a 401k and stocks, introducing a rental income stream diversifies your wealth building strategies. 8. Appreciation and tax advantages. Real estate typically appreciates over time and frequently comes with attractive tax benefits. Cons of real estate wholesaling. Nonetheless, it's vital to recognize certain aspects of this investment method. 1. Network building. Establishing a robust network of investors is crucial, and it demands both time and dedicated effort. 2. Income variances. Be prepared for intermittent periods of income generation. It's not a constant flow. 3. Patience in property. Investing in physical real estate necessitates patience and an extended time frame for returns. 4. Marginal profit. The profit margins might not be as substantial as those available in other investment avenues. 5. Inherent risks. As with all investments, risks are an inherent part of the game. Real estate investments are no exception, and there is potential for financial losses. 6. Non-liquidity. Keep in mind that this investment isn't liquid, meaning you can't easily convert it to cash when an urgent need arises. How to wholesale real estate. Now that we've explored the essentials of wholesale real estate, it's time to take a detailed look at how to get started in this complex yet potentially rewarding endeavor. 1. Explore local wholesaling regulations. Kicking off your journey, you must ensure the legality of the process in your area. The realm of wholesaling real estate is governed by specific regulations that vary from state to state. It's of utmost importance to consult with a legal expert well-versed in real estate law to steer you in the right direction. This step is essential before you take the plunge. 2. Seek out distressed properties and motivated sellers. To make your wholesale real estate venture thrive, you must identify motivated sellers with distressed properties in their possession. These sellers are typically looking for a swift sale, often bypassing traditional real estate channels that involve agents, mortgage lenders, earnest money, and comprehensive inspections or appraisals. These property owners are eager to sell quickly, often at a price below market value. Your golden opportunity lies in placing these homes under contract at a higher value, allowing you to reap a profit, often referred to as a finder's fee. To unearth these distressed properties, you'll need to promote yourself as a cash buyer through direct mail, social media outreach, and word-of-mouth networking. The broader your reach, the more properties you'll have at your disposal to secure under contract. 3. Calculate your anticipated ROI. To gauge your potential return on investment, ROI, you must factor in various critical elements. 1. Local market dynamics. The balance between available homes and the number of buyers in your area significantly impacts your negotiations. 1. If there's high demand with limited supply, you might need to present a more compelling offer to outbid competitors. 1. Conversely, a surplus of properties and a lack of buyers may allow for more conservative offers. 2. Comparative property analysis. Your real estate agent can assemble a comparative market analysis, offering insights into listing and final sale prices of neighboring properties over the last few months. 3. Property history. Investigate how long the property has been on the market and whether it has seen multiple price reductions. 3. This knowledge can influence your negotiation tactics. 4. Property condition. The state of the property itself plays a substantial role in determining your offer. 4. Homes ready for immediate occupancy typically command higher prices than those requiring extensive cosmetic fixes. 4. Initiate offers and navigate negotiations. Once these preliminary considerations are met, ensure that you're pre-approved for a mortgage. A verified approval letter serves as proof of readiness for the next phase. Collaborating with a real estate agent to finalize the deal is typically your best approach for making an offer on a property. Subsequently, you'll enter into the negotiation process, a pivotal step with various strategies to bolster your leverage for securing a more favorable purchase price. When negotiating, keep these pointers in mind. 1. Conduct a thorough home inspection to identify potential structural or cosmetic issues that can substantiate a lower offer. 2. Consider asking the seller to contribute to closing costs. 3. Don't be disheartened if your initial offer is declined. 3. Think of negotiations as a two-way conversation, and be prepared to counteroffer. 5. Formalize a contract and sign. Upon reaching mutually agreeable terms and conditions, both parties will sign the purchase agreement. This document stands as a legally binding contract, outlining the intricacies of the home sale transaction. Be aware that the purchase contract's binding nature is contingent on the agreement itself, and it should specify valid reasons for a buyer's withdrawal from the transaction. Failing to meet these terms can result in the forfeiture of your earnest money deposit. 6. Identify a buyer and negotiate. To locate an end buyer who is interested in purchasing the property, you'll need to tap into your network of real estate investors. Even if you don't directly know a prospective buyer, your network may hold the key. Establish and expand your connections through social media and local real estate gatherings. Just as you negotiated with the seller, you'll now engage in discussions with the end buyer to agree on the compensation you'll receive from the contract sale. This is where the transaction fee negotiation takes place, with pricing that can follow a standard model or a more customized approach. 7. Assignment of the contract to your buyer. To officially transfer the contract you initially signed with the seller to the end buyer, you must complete an agreement that conveys the contract to your buyer for the agreed-upon sum. This amount represents the difference between what you've committed to pay to the seller and what the buyer has pledged to pay for the property. Upon signing the agreement, the buyer commits to the purchase of the property and takes ownership, while you, as the seller, accept the fee as compensation for the contract assignment, effectively relinquishing your rights to the home. Tips for succeeding when wholesaling houses. As you embark on your journey into wholesale real estate, there are strategic measures you can take to stack the odds in your favor for a successful outcome. Let's delve into these key strategies. 1. Pre-wholesaling networking. Paving the path to success begins long before you make your first acquisition. Building a robust network within the real estate arena, comprising wholesalers, investors, and seasoned agents, is a pivotal step in your wholesaling journey. By nurturing strong connections in these domains before venturing into wholesaling, you significantly amplify your potential to close deals. A pre-established network provides a vital edge that you wouldn't have if you were starting from square one. 2. Allocate resources for marketing. Allocate a dedicated budget for marketing endeavors to broaden your reach and bolster your chances of a successful sale. Your marketing efforts may encompass targeted online advertising, vigorous social media campaigns, or other promotional tactics that enhance your visibility within the crucial real estate community. A strategic marketing approach can substantially expand your outreach and attract the right audience. 3. Develop essential soft skills. While a profound understanding of the real estate industry is undoubtedly valuable, cultivating essential soft skills is equally critical for thriving in the realm of wholesaling houses. Skills such as negotiation, effective communication, and creative problem-solving can be instrumental in your success. They enable you to build and nurture relationships with both buyers and sellers, navigate intricate negotiations, and devise innovative solutions to surmount the challenges that often crop up during the wholesale process. These abilities are the foundation of your effectiveness as a wholesaler. Wholesale real estate FAQs. As you venture into the intricate world of wholesale real estate, you're likely to have some pressing questions. Here, we address a few key queries to provide you with a clearer understanding of the wholesale real estate landscape. 1. Wholesale versus house flipping. What sets them apart? Wholesale real estate involves the acquisition of houses for resale, typically to real estate investors, without any substantial alterations or renovations. In contrast, house flipping entails the acquisition of a property for investment purposes, often followed by significant renovation work, culminating in a sale to a private buyer. 2. Licensing requirements for wholesale real estate. No, you are not obligated to possess a real estate license or prior experience to embark on your wholesale real estate journey. This attribute makes wholesaling especially appealing to novice investors, as the entry threshold remains low, demanding minimal upfront capital. 3. Becoming a real estate wholesaler, a beginner's path. For those taking their first steps into the world of wholesale real estate, the following roadmap can be instrumental. 1. Educate yourself. Initiate your journey by immersing yourself in the fundamental concepts of real estate, with a specific focus on the intricacies of wholesaling. 2. Expand your network. Construct a robust network within the real estate domain, including connections with fellow wholesalers and seasoned investors. 3. Locate potential deals. Once your network is in place, embark on the quest to identify potential wholesale deals. 3. Establish contact with property owners and engage in negotiations to secure a purchase price below market value. 4. The potential of wholesaling. Can it sustain a living? Yes, it is entirely feasible to derive a sustainable income through wholesaling real estate. The magnitude of your potential earnings, however, is contingent on several variables, including those within your control, such as your level of experience and the depth of your industry connections, as well as external factors like the prevailing state of the real estate market. Wholesaling, as a practice, is a dynamic and demanding realm where triumph is not always immediate. To thrive in this competitive arena, one must remain unwavering in their commitment, diligent in their efforts, and eager to immerse themselves in the nuances of the trade. It is through this unwavering consistency, unrelenting hard work, and a genuine thirst for understanding every facet of the industry that your prospects of establishing a livelihood as a real estate wholesaler significantly soar. As we conclude this insightful journey through the intricate world of real estate wholesaling, we hope you've gained valuable knowledge and a clearer understanding of the process. Your success in this endeavor hinges on dedication, persistence, and the acquisition of essential skills. If you're intrigued by the potential of real estate investments and seek a pathway that requires a modest initial investment, we invite you to explore the exciting possibilities of real estate with 10K. Click on the video displayed on your screen to embark on a new exploration, where you can discover innovative strategies for real estate success with a unique approach that can help you grow your wealth even further. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next chapter of your real estate journey.